Hello everyone, my name is Yang Chen, and I have done my internship at South Bay Acuity Landing during the past 11 weeks. It was a beneficial experience in which I learned a lot from both my preceptor Tom's Hardesty and the job itself. Here are 3 transferable skills I gained. The first is the communication skill. One of my responsibilities as an intern is to help my preceptor to reach out to more new partners. So I need to make a schedule to visit them weekly with my preceptor. By shadowing my preceptor's behaviors, I gradually understand how to start a conversation with someone who we don't really know and how to make them get interested in my topic. The problem-solving skills I learned from the Senior Specialist Group's management meeting. My preceptor as a co-leader, every half a month, will have a meeting to discuss some issues like what to do next to develop, how to expand influences. In the meeting, I noticed that when they solve a specific problem, the discussions always cover the 3 questions. Who is going to take responsibility? When should it begin and end? How to pursue the goal? Using this way to solve problems will help me a lot to make a decision quickly and enhance my working efficiency. I developed the skills of attention to detail through asking questions after meeting. During the conversation, I would mark down some information which I didn't understand or not make sure. Those questions my preceptor would explain to me until I got them. According to these intern experiences, I summarize 5 points and update my resume, planned and coordinated weekly working agenda, provided administrative support and technology support for senior specialist group, reviewed conversation information and sent thank you notes, maintained good relationship with nonprofit SSG group partners, marketed loan service to potential customers. Here are 2 advices. 1. Don't be afraid of sharing your opinions. Your colleagues are willing to hear your voice. 2. Keep smiling and good luck will come to you. People always love someone who shows they are easygoing. Last, I would like to thank Anna. Thank you for everything you did to make my internship go well. Thank you for listening to my presentation.